yeah, you guys see the difference? So this one is much lighter than that one.
Welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Morning. I'm Corban. That's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the disappearing tea.
The disappearing tea. So
Stay tuned.
okay, Corban. So what do we need for our disappearing tea?
Cups of tea.
All right. So we need right here. We have 2 hot cups of tea here. All right. What else?
Some lemon juice.
All right, lemon juice, or you could use real lemons. And what else?
A spoon.
And a spoon. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so Corban is going to make the color disappear from one of the cups of tea. So what are you going to do first, Corban?
Pour the lemon juice in.
All right, he's going to pour the lemon juice in one of the cups of tea here. And we're going to compare it so we see how dark this one is. And this one is getting lighter.
And now stir it.
All right, he's going to stir it.
Watch the magic.
Watch the magic.
Look, it's light.
It is significantly lighter.
Wow.
Oh yeah, you guys see the difference? So this one is much lighter than that one. So the reason why the lemon juice works is because lemon is like a bleaching agent, right? Mm-hmm. And it reacts with the chemical of the tea to make it lighter.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? And guess what? You know what, Corban?
What?
Some people use lemon to bleach their hair or to make their hair lighter. Wow. So you can see there that it's significantly lighter.
It's still spinning.
Yeah, you like that?
Yes.
All right, so thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. And remember to
subscribe.
subscribe.